Jack Wood again. I came all the way from Aberdeen to live among the go-betweens. Let me tell you about Catfish Kate. In the time before when she's just Kate, here in the mountains all alone, before the time we call this home. Well, it's my angel falling down a dark river water, and she got away. Well, it's my life for blossom, she just played and blossom, lives another day. Here in the valley that we all know, a river bend that's deep and slow, where every creature drinks their fill and other creatures take their kill. Now Katie went to catch a fish to put inside the favorite dish. A catfish grabbed her by the head and took her to his house instead. That's my angel falling down the river water, and she got away. That's my life for blossom, she just played and blossom, lives another day. They wrestled all the day and night, the morning show, the bloody sight. Kate all dressed in catfish clothes, his whiskers for a catfish robe.